Good morning, friend, to my kitchen. Today I am about to make triangle or paratha. So let's start from here. First I simply took wheat flour, then I add salt, half tablespoon of, then water. I will make dough. Now I made a small small ball from this dough. First I will make triangle shape of paratha. So here required 4 ball. Now one by one simply I will roll. One by one little bit. Then I apply oil in all. Then I will arrange like this in 4 layer. Then press with help of hand. Then I will cut with help of knife. I will cut in triangle shape. See here four triangle shapes are ready. Then I will just over wheat powder, then roll it in a bake shape, and my tawa is already heated, so I will put here the help of and with spatula I will press both side. I will press all side with the help of wooden spatula. Again I have done this triangle shape of paratha. I will bake both sides, and with the help of spoon I will apply over this paratha oil, refined oil. You can use clarified butter, it means ghee also. Very good manner we have to bake this paratha. See, my paratha is done. This paratha is very crispy. You can see I can open all layer very easily, right? See, it can very easily. So this paratha you can enjoy with any spicy curry and all types of vegetable also, and tea means a chai also you can eat this paratha. So now I will make square shape of paratha. So simply I have roll, and with the help of a spoon I am applying oil and folding both sides like this. Again I will apply oil. Again I will fold both sides. See, the square shape is done. Simply I will press. Now I will roll on in a big shape. Then I will put on my tawa. I will bake both sides. I will apply oil like this. Then I will cook 3-4 minutes. See, this is very crispy, very crispy. It's only up to you, you like crispy or soft paratha. So see, now my square paratha is also done.